Assalamu alaikum. A horse canters away from its trainer in a straight line, moving 116 meters away in 14 seconds. It then turns abruptly and gallops halfway back in 4.8 seconds. Calculate the following things. Okay, firstly, I will start solving this problem by drawing an illustrative sketch. The horse firstly starts to move in a straight line from this point, okay, until this point, let's say, okay, passing the distance of 116 meters during 14 seconds of time. Then the horse starts to move in a counter motion, okay, from this point, passing the halfway distance, okay. In 4.8 seconds, it passes in D2 the half distance, which is 116 divided by 2 is equal to 58. We want firstly to calculate the average speed, okay? We know that the average speed is equal to the total distance passed divided by the time elapsed. And the total distance traveled is equal to 100.60 meters plus the counter motion distance, okay, which is 58, okay, the summation of these two distances, and the total time is equal to the summation of these two times, 14 and 4.8, and the answer is 9.26 meter per second. B, we want to calculate the average velocity for the entire trip. I'm going to distinguish between the average velocity and the average distance by adding this x subscript to the velocity, indicating that in velocity we care about the direction of the motion. Okay, the average velocity is equal to the displacement, okay, divided by the time elapsed, and the displacement is equal to the distance between the final position and the initial position, and the distance between this initial position and the final position is equal to 116 minus 85, which is 58, I mean. And the time elapsed is equal to the summation of these two times, which is 40 plus 4.8, which is 18.8. And the answer of the division is equal to 3.9 meter per second. And that's the end. See you.